In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time codes that you're using for your time entries. The first thing you're going to do is go to the main menu, choose Add-ons, then you're going to locate the Time Tracking and Timesheets add-on and press Configure. From this screen, you'll see the link there, the button at the top that says Manage Time Codes. Click on it, and then using the input table below, you can simply type in your new code and determine whether it's billable or not, whether it's active or not, and hit the Save button. There are other options, more advanced options available. To see them, you'll click the display options, open the column filtering selections, and walk through some of these other options. For example, whether the time entry can be used for a company, whether the time entry can be used for a project, whether the time entry code can be used for a task. These three questions, I added those columns in there, and now you can toggle that and say, well, office time can only be attached to a company, but not a project or a task, for example. So this gives you a little bit more granular control over how time codes are used. And to do so, you'll find the other options in the display options. If you don't know exactly what a column is, you can always select the tooltip there button and say, it'll tell you the description and the tooltip. So when the time entry for this one must be billable, when this is used, the time code has to be a billable time code. If I don't know what this particular field is, I can highlight it and select show tooltip here as well to find out what those tooltips are. This one, time entry, determines whether the code can be used for time entries or not. So these are some more advanced options that are available in the display options here.